Model Acre 2000, J43600, stuck on ID calibrating and testing tank. We also replaced the R134A tank and noticed that the motor inside the unit, when you open the front cover located on top shelf, is not turning at all. Is it supposed to turn continuously? Posted by JustAnswer at customer's request. Hello. I would like to request the following expert services from you. Live phone call. Let me know if you need more information, or send me the service offers so we can proceed.
Hello. Once the power button is pressed, the motor runs continuous. Can you tell if the motor is hot/warm or cool? Use reply Billy.
The motor in the front does not run, the bottom one does, and the machines get stuck between the ID calibrating and then it switches to checking tank. And it does not seem to get hot, the bottom motor. Are you getting my messages, Billy?
Sorry for delay. Keep losing internet. Copy and paste the below link. Go to 33. Then we can go from there. http://www.scos.com/pdfs/ra_acre2000.pdf.
Okay, done, but I'm not sure yet why it is stuck on ID calibrating. Then it goes to testing tank, then it cycles back to ID calibrating. It had been working fine on Thursday afternoon. Friday morning is when the problem started. I will resume this tomorrow morning when I go into the office and give it to my technician. Thanks, Billy, and until then, Pierre Ghazi.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.